Okay, so this is 3-127, letter D. We're working on fraction busters, and it says solve the equation by first changing the equation to a simpler equivalent equation, and then check the solution. Who has an idea of what I can multiply through by to bust out all my fractions? 2? You want to do it by 2? Okay, well the 2 would definitely get rid of the half, so we'll do that first. So multiply by 2 over 1 times 3/10 plus 2 over 1 times 2x over 5, and then 2 over 1 times a half. Okay, so that's going to get rid of this denominator, the one that, the half. So what goes down there? 5. Good. So this term becomes 3 over 5. And then this one I can't really cancel, so I'll just go 2 times 2 is 4. Well, that's 4x over 5. And then this one canceled out all nice and tidy like I wanted it to. So that's a 1, that's a 1, that's a 1. That's just 1, isn't it? Oh, did I mess something up? No, I didn't. Things are looking good right now. Things are looking good. So, what else can I do? Any ideas? It says we have to rewrite them, so you could just go ahead and just do fraction math on it and solve it that way, but the directions are saying to rewrite it. So, what's something I can multiply through by to get rid of the denominator? Isaac knows, he just won't say anything. Nobody knows? Did I make a mistake or something? Yeah, let's do 5. So the question was, I'm asking, what can I multiply each of these numbers, these 3 terms, what can I multiply them by to get rid of the denominator? The denominator happens to be 5. And Kayla said, let's multiply by 5. And if you don't know why she said that, I'll show you right now. I'm going to multiply each fraction by 5 over 1. See, you're allowed to do it as long as you multiply every single term on both sides of the equation. You're allowed to just introduce another number, but you have to do it to both sides of the equation. Kind of like, you know how you can add and subtract stuff from both sides of the equation. You're allowed to because it doesn't upset the balance of the equation. So I'm also allowed to multiply by 5, but I have to do it to this thing, I have to do it to this thing, and I have to do it to this thing. Okay, so now look at my 5. Yahoo, right? Look, the 5 went away because they're a giant 1. So 5 over 5 is 1. So these just turn into 1s, and I end up, this whole term just turns into a 3. Look, these 5s go away. Hallelujah. And then I got 4x. And then this is 5 times 1. That's 5. Now, who knows how to solve that? We got 3 plus 4x equals 5. Yeah, subtract 3 from both sides. So I'll have 4x equals 2. And then what's the last thing we like to do? Divide by 4. We're just doing our algebra, practicing our algebra skills. Now, 2 over 4 can be written as 1/2. So, and that's what you had on your paper. You kind of had a half on there, Kayla, and that's why I was saying it was right, but you weren't, your equation wasn't all finished with yet. Okay, so I'll push stop.